Karandulana Forest Hermitage is situated in Hambantota district, related to the Suryawava Municipal Council area. Chittagutta Maharahathero lived in this ancient place in past time. Therefore, this is archaeologically very important. Main entrance for this forest hermitage. In the beginning, we can observe closets. Meditative monks lived in that closets in past time. After that, you can observe a new avenue. Using that, you can enter to ancient area. This way is very interesting for pilgrims. As well as we can see much avenue in this place. It was built using stone stairs. Not only that, several narrow avenues made by using ancient tiles. We can see an ancient alms hall and an earlier tree avenue. It was built without damage to the natural background. This is consists with lot of crypts. Some insides of the crypts were built by using bricks and limestone mixture. According to these crypts, it is calibrated. There are a lot of meditative closets can see here. It was built in quiet surrounding areas at the temple. Some closets are consist with a significant creations. It is a wonderful fact for pilgrims. It is called as Kataran in Sinhala. It was used to prevent rainwater entering into inside of the closets. Most of monks used these like closets for their meditative facts. There is a suitable surroundings in here to take a spiritual recovery for pilgrims. These were built most interestingly. Therefore, it is reminded the combination of Buddhism and environment. There are more than 26 ancient crypts in here with including the Kataran-like structure. Most of pilgrims come to watch this place every day, and they prepare the alms given for monks. Meditative monks proceed to alms hall to accept the alms given. Both oblation and almondry locations are established in a same place. Now you observe the Chittagutta crypt. It was used by Chittagutta Thero. In the past, this is consist with the roof. Several stony ruins are attested it. This crypt is consists with both past and present paintings. According to current paintings, it was showed some incidents among the Chittagutta Thero and Kinkavantissa. Now you observe a painting, it is noticed an invitation for Chittagutta Thero to proceed to the palace of Kinkavantissa. This is the order of high priest. Proceed in here after the Chittagutta Thero. This is showed very similar features with Sigiri paintings. It is the criticism opinion. This statue is established near to Stupa. That place is called as Ahasgaon. This is the highest place in this area. We can observe a small stupa below the Ahasgaon. When we reach to this place, we can watch all surrounding area. It is an interesting scene. Then we can observe below forest and Ridhyagama tank. As well as Madunagala Hermitage is situated beyond to this place. Lot of archaeological ruins are observed in here. Some of them are ancient bricks, stone stairs, moonstones, epigraphs, limit symbols, foundation stones. Large natural ponds. These are small ponds. Stone stairs. This is Murakala. This cloister is used for ambulatory meditations. This equipment is used to notice the time.